Hi everyone, this is Arzu and I'm here with the next project that's based on AI. So in this project, we are going to work with the DeepFace library. Yes, last time you saw that we have the picture and that library, the Matplotlib and OpenCV can help you to detect the face and it will make a square around your face. But now in this session, I'm just going to introduce you about the DeepFace library. Before the introduction, I want to show you something related to DeepFace library. So let me share the screen. So as you can see on the screen, there are different pictures. One is happy face, second is sad, third is disgust, fear, angry, surprised, natural, black, white, Middle East, Indian, age 30. So that's what we are going to do today. Actually, we are going to introduce a picture to the computer and our computer will recognize the picture and will tell us that a person is happy, a person is sad, means tell us about the emotions. It will also tell us about the color. It can also tell us about the age. It can also tell us about, from which country it belongs. So there is a lot of features that the computer is going to tell, right? Now, let me introduce you or let me just tell you about the DeepFace library and why we are working with this project. So actually, face recognition we are using everywhere. When we talk about Facebook and when we post any picture, we can see that there are if I have somebody in my friend list, it can easily recognize the facial features of that person and it can show us the name on the face, right? That this person you can tag because this person is a part of your uh, you know picture or this person is your friend, right? And if we are talking about the security cameras, so the person such and such came and just they are taking something from our shop or from our any kind of business if we have. So what we can do in case, we can easily identify the person with the help of DeepFace library. Now, this DeepFace library is recognized by Facebook's artificial intelligence research team because they made this library just to recognize the facial features and a deep face study basically about the expressions where your character belongs from. Even when you are talking about the digital thing like the digital picture, then it will have 97% accuracy to make understand about the picture, about the person, and it can tell you everything. But actually, this DeepFace library is using CNN method. So CNN is stands for convolutional neural network. So convolutional neural network means it's just finding, like it has a different kind of data, like I'm telling with the pictures, with the data, a lot of data, that what kind of emotions human has, what kind of this is a white one, this is a black one, this person, this kind of dress up person belongs from this thing or that thing. So actually we are having a lot of data. This we actually studied in our previous session where we saw that there is uh, a picture and we need to identify the face out of the picture. Now in this project, we are going to identify the deep face library, like from the deep face library, and we will identify the picture, that whose picture is this. So let's not do the delay and we will process further. So yes, of course, right now we are going to use Google Colab of recognizing the facial feature related to our project. So let's get started without any delay. I'm going to share my screen. The very first step, as I told you in the last project, you will search for Google Colab. Now I'm going to the Google Colab tab. Over here, I have lots of untitled project. I'm not going to create new notebook. I will have the previous one. So I'm just going to open that one and I'll do edit my code in the notebook. Okay, it says that the file does not exist. It's all right. We can go to the file section. New notebook in Drive. I'm just clicking on. So I have made new notebook and here I can give the name of the notebook is Deepface. Deepface without any space. The second step is I need to write down the command for installing the Deepface. As I told you already, you can simply go to the new tab. You can search for import Deepface. Okay. When you do a search, you will have PYPI Deepface. You will open this type of file only and you have a command pip install Deepface. This you can even write, but if you have a confusion, that's why I'm telling you this step as well, because some students said that, ma'am, I forgot or this and that. So you can definitely search by yourself. So first I need to install Deepface Library. The second library we are using is OpenCV library. Okay, so the same thing, you can search for OpenCV, otherwise you can write pip install OpenCV. So I'm writing OpenCV install. I have this and you have this command to install the OpenCV. You can simply do copy, open the new cell. This is installed already. Just paste this command pip install opencv-python and run this code. So the very first step you need to follow is take your libraries. Second step, take the files that you want to use in your program. So this is done. Now I will go over here and I will take my file that I want. So I'm taking the picture that I have used previously. You can use any of your choice picture. Now this picture I'm going to use and I will be start writing down the code. So first thing is import CV2. Then the next part from Deepface import Deepface. Then I will have the picture. So I will write image is equals to cv2.imread because I want to take the picture and you will be writing down the name of your picture. So my picture name is test3.jpg. So you will be writing down the name of your picture and you also have to take matplotlib. So I'm also writing the code for import matplotlib. This comes in a suggestion dot pie plot as PLT. Afterwards, my PLT help to show the picture. So I will write PLT dot I'm show. Actually, this is helping us to track the data, to show the graph, pyplot, matplotlib library, and I'm going to have my picture. Then, as you all know, that we need to convert BGR picture to RGB. So I'm just taking PLT, I'm show. CV2.CV color image CV2 dot color color in capital. This is your function, so you need to write it in the same way to RGB, means whatever the picture is, like whatever the format of the picture given previously, it will back to the same format. Then you will have predictions is equals to DeepFace. Predictions I will be making as in small is equals to DeepFace, F should be capital, dot analyze. So my DeepFace will analyze the image, whatever the image I provide, and it will give me the predictions. Means what predictions my Deepface library found with my picture I have provided here. Now, if I run this code, it's showing an error with PLT dot I am show CV2 CVT. It will be CVT color. Okay, I missed that. That's why it's showing me the error. So as you can see, action, emotion, 0%. It's actually in continuation. It's giving me the address of my file, like where it's taking from. Then you will see the predictions over here. So action age 25% downloading. So it's actually coming. Let's wait for the result. Okay. So predictions PREDICTION. Okay. Actually, the variable name is wrong. Predictions it is. Okay. So I'm running it again. Okay. Let's come to the output of this. First thing is dominant gender is men. If you will see your picture over here, yes, the gender is men. Okay. Then action raise 100%. Emotions, so if I talk about emotions, angry is 0 point, disgust is this, fear is this, happy is 35, sad is this, surprise is this, and neutral is this. So I can say that it judge my first picture emotion as neutral. Okay, so it seems neutral according to AI, because neutral has more, like happy and neutral mixed according to DeepFace study. Okay, my first picture has the emotions happy and neutral mixed. Now, the region This is saying XY coordinate, width, height, left eye, right eye, means where my face is actually located. The age seems 32. Okay. So this is my first character, and it says that the age of the character seems 32. Gender, woman ratio is this and man ratio is 99.9%. So of course, the gender is men. The age is 32. The emotions is neutral and happy. Okay. And what else? So if I come over here, this is the second man study, my Deepface library given to me. Let's see. So the emotion for second man is angry 7, 5, fear, happy. 99% emotions showed by the second picture, means this second picture is happy. This is the second picture. It seems happy according to AI and the Deepface library, and this seems neutral happy, means not so happy. It seems like happy and neutral. Okay, so both ratios are same. Now what next is, the next part we will see is this is the part. Okay, the woman ratio is 0. Men ratio is 9.98. So of course it's men. The gender is men. Race is Asian. Indian is 9%. Okay, 4%, and white is 20%. So yes, it is white. Middle East 12. Latino, Hispanic. Okay, that is 42. Domestic race, okay, that you can leave the rest part. But yes, as you can see, that result is so accurate. As I told you that 98% approximate the result is true, and it is. So according to the picture, it gives me the result for both picture 1 and picture 2. So picture 1 seems to be neutral, happy, white, man, age is 32. And picture 2 is again, it seems very happy. It's white, and gender is men, right? Age is 40. So age is also over here for the second person, that's 40. So this is really good result given by the Deepface library. There is a lot with Deepface library as well. You know very well about OpenCV, we discussed earlier. You know very well about Matplotlib. We also discussed this thing earlier. But you didn't know about Deepface. So Deepface is actually a magic when we are talking about, you know, the face detection. So yes, everyone, this project is over, and it's very simple and interesting project. You can learn more, you can have more self-studies on the thing, and you can make something interesting. So we will meet in the next session. Till then, bye-bye.